again, first, we always combine like terms. In this problem here on the left, there are no like terms to combine on this side of the equal sign, nor the other side. So then the next step is we undo or do the inverse of any adding or subtracting without the variable. So right now we have this -7. The inverse would be to add 7, cancel those because that equals a 0, so you don't need it anymore. And then you rewrite everything. So on your third line you should have a -8. D equals 17 plus 7 is 24. 24. Next step. This is what I want to make sure. It now says -8 times D. The inverse of multiplying by -8 is what? Yeah. By what? No. You keep the sign the same. The inverse is just the operation. So the operation was multiplying. The inverse is to divide. So if you didn't catch that, please see that we do not change the sign when we're dividing. It's still a -8 that you're dividing by. These cancel because if you would have done an 8, what is -8 divided by 8? No. Negative, right? Yeah. So you would have been left with a -D, and then you would have had to change and do what we taught you. This way, it'll get you a positive D right away. So now D equals, what is 24 divided by -8? Yes.
-3.
Awesome, -3. All right, the next problem, there are some like terms. So you could combine the 5m and the -7m, and what would you end up with? Yes. Yep, -2m. You're still left with a 4, so you're rewriting your whole problem now with combined like terms. Next, what am I? 0. I don't know. I was all excited about adding an extra 0. All right, next, what should I do? What is the next step?
Yep. Subtract 4 from 4 and from 10.
Okay. These will cancel. -2m equals 6. What's the inverse of multiplying by -2? By -2. Otherwise, if you did a +2, you'd be left with a -m, and you'd have to change that later. So m equals a -3 for that answer also.